Hi everyone. On Windows 11, extracting text from screenshots can be accomplished in several ways, including the Snipping Tool, Photos app, Click to Do, and the Text Extractor feature available through PowerToys from Microsoft. This guide will walk you through how to use these tools to extract text quickly and efficiently. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to pull text from a screenshot of a receipt, an important document, or even an address or phone number captured from an image. The Snipping Tool and Photos app leverage OCR Optical Character Recognition technology to enable text extraction, though each offers different capabilities. For instance, the Snipping Tool allows you to redact text from a screenshot and copy the text to the clipboard directly. Conversely, the Photos app lets you copy text as soon as the screenshot is opened, but it does not offer redaction options. This guide will detail the steps required to extract text specifically from screenshots on Windows 11, ensuring you can make the most of these tools. First, open the Snipping Tool on Windows 11 and click the Snip button. Next, click the New button and Snipping Tool Take Screenshot next. Choose the snipping mode and capture the screenshot on Windows 11. Next, select the text, right-click the selection, and choose the Copy Text option, and optional, click the Text Actions button and choose the Copy All Text option to extract all the text from the screenshot image. After you complete the steps, you can paste the text into any document as necessary.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.